The drip rifle. And no, it's not the modern day idea of style from an influencer. Designed in World War I at Gallipoli by an Australian lance corporal, made to deceive the Ottomans into thinking there was a large force firing at them, but in reality there was nobody behind the gun. Used to provide an illusion during their evacuation. Constructed via 2 tin cans with a hole for water to drip out of, and the other empty, connected to the trigger with a string, and when the weight would be too much it would cause it to fire. Fun fact, however, water was hard to come by for ANZAC forces, so some of the rifles were probably loaded with piss. Piss or water, it still ended in a successful escape, with 0 people dying over the course of a couple days with their evacuation.